Are you relying on outdated averages or opaque models for climate data? Frustrated by gaps and inconsistencies in corporate reporting? It's time for a new approach. But what is asset-based data? At Asset Impact, we've pioneered a unique way for financial institutions to design and manage a long-term climate strategy using asset-based data. It's data sourced directly from physical assets, like an oil field in Texas, a cargo ship crossing the Atlantic, or a steel mill in Sweden. We collect detailed emissions and activity data from individual assets, then link it to the companies that own them. From direct owners to ultimate parent companies, we aggregate data up the entire ownership chain, giving insights into an asset's or company's potential to decarbonize, which is key to drive real-world change. Our database covers 70,000 plus companies, linked to 300,000 assets across 11 climate-critical sectors, providing you with transparent, granular, and comparable data, not high-level averages or black box models. And we go one step further. We create projections from the asset level up to deliver data up to 2030 and beyond. Our data supports you to set and track climate targets at the sector and portfolio levels, meet voluntary and mandatory reporting requirements, manage risk by understanding industry exposure, now and into the future, engage with companies using real-world data, and measure company targets and commitments against actual CapEx plans and key climate scenarios. With asset-based data, you gain another level of insight into your investments. Make smarter, data-driven decisions for your portfolio and the planet. Ready to take action? Join global leaders and find out how you can benefit from asset-based data.